Hey there guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to design a sign in and sign up page for our demo application. Before that, I hope you have already seen our previous videos. If not, then go to our channel and check it out. Now, let's get started with today's video. Here is the sign in and sign up page which we are going to design. Now, from home screen, I will choose a Android mobile screen size, but you can choose any screen size you want. So, as our artboard is ready, I will take a rectangle in which we will add a background image. If you want to download HD images, I have mentioned two links into the description box. First is pexels.com and another one is unsplash.com, from where you can download full HD images free of cost. You can insert image by using import option, but also you can just drag and drop image from any folder you want. So I will drag and drop this image for our background. While working on artboard, the image we have added can be moved. So to lock image, right click on it and choose lock option. Similarly, to unlock, you can just click on this icon or right click on the image and choose unlock option. You also can edit this image, like you can adjust the opacity of image. You can use blend mode. Also you can curve the corners by adding radius over here. You can set the colors to solid colors, linear gradient and radial gradients. Also, you can add borders and shadows to it. Now, I will add one more rectangle over this image. As you can see, this application guides us with border lines and also with middle partitions and more. Now, I want to fill this rectangle with the same color I have added to save demo design. So, I will copy this code from here and I will paste it to get this same color. Also, you don't need to remember the color code every time. Simply, you can just add this color over here, so next time you need the same color, you will find it easily. I will set its opacity to 50% so that our background image should be visible. Now, I will add one more rectangle for our status bar. I will set its height to 5 and width with same as artboard size. I will add the same color just little down. Now, I will copy this icon group which I have copied from UI kit I have downloaded. You can also make your own status bar by adding icons as per you like. Okay, now let's add the title for our app, say daily. I will choose font type from here. As you can see, we have multiple fonts type over here. I will choose Century Gothic just because I like, but you can choose any font type you like. I will change its size to 60 and I will make it bold. To align, here we have different aligning options like top, middle, bottom, left, center and at right. I will align it to center. I will add a sentence like slogan saying the best and free stock of photos with size 50. Now, I will add a line with width say 300 and height will be 0. Change its color to white and align it to center. For sign-in page, we need email address and password. So, this will be our email address with size 14 and yeah. Now, how to add icons? For that, there is a website icons8.com from where you can just copy and paste icons you need. Also, you can download the desktop application of Icons8. I have mentioned the link into the description box to download the application. I already have the app, so I will open it and in search box I will write email. As you can see, we get multiple icons for email. So I will choose this one. From here you can also change the color of icons. Now when you copy the icon, choose copy shortcut because when you choose copy image, the icon get copied with its background. As we don't want background, we just want icon. So choose copy shortcut and paste it over here. Change its size to 18 and yeah. Now we will align the text and icon at center by selecting both using shift button. You can also group the different components together. For that, choose the component, right click on it and say group. You can also use keyboard option Ctrl+J and for ungroup, you can click on it and choose ungroup option. When you need to add similar component multiple times, you can use this repeat grid option. I will click on this group which we have created and click on the repeat grid. So it will repeat this group as many as time we want and also you can repeat it sidewise. For now I just want one more for password. You can also adjust the space between two groups likewise. So after you are done, say ungroup grid. Now I will change this to password. From icon set app, I will take icon for password. Search for lock, copy shortcut and paste it. Size will be 80 and yeah, we are done. Now we need a button. So I will take a rectangle of height 50 and width 300. I will curve the corners by adding radius over here. You can also use these dots to curve the corners. Now I will add a text sign in over the rectangle with size 18 and align it at center and group it with rectangle. We will also add a forget password option. So for that, take a text box, write forget password and align it at center with size say 10. Now we need to add a sign up option. So take another text box, say sign up, size will be 16 and we will put it here. Perfect. Now we are done with our sign in page. Now for sign up page, you can add new artboard from here, but also you can just click on this board and copy the whole sign in page and paste it here, and we will make changes in the copied board for our sign up page. You can also rename the artboard. Just double click on it and say sign in and here sign up. Now for sign up page, first we don't need this forget password option, so delete it. For sign up, we will take full name, email address, password and confirm password. So I will put this button little downside, choose the password option, click on repeat grid, as we need 2 more for full name and password. So repeat grid 2 times and ungroup grid. Now I will change it to full name, this to email address, this is already the password and this will be re-enter password. Now I will choose an icon for full name with height 18. So height will be 18 and we are done. We will change this button from sign in to submit and the sign up option to sign in. And yeah, here we are done with our sign in and sign up page. So in next video, we are going to design a dashboard and profile page for our application. So for more, keep watching and see you in the next video.